Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. I'm going to show you today how you can easily go from this, which is in Cricut Access, to this, or, let's see, where's the other one? Or this. Easily. You can change up these things in our software of Cricut Design Space. Of course, you can even design your own just like this in Cricut Design Space. But let's get started with just changing this one up and making it into these. So the first thing you need to do is just find this image, and to find it, what I did was I came over here to Images, and I came up here to Cartridges, and I typed in 4th of July. Now I used the number 4 and it got there okay, and hit enter on my keyboard. And this is the set that I used right here. So and it's free. So I just clicked on it to open it all up, and I scrolled down in here and I saw it right. There's a lot of cute ones in here. There's All American Baby, that's cute. But I don't see one that says All American Girl unless I overlooked it. Here's All American Boy. Nope. So what I did was I clicked on All American Boy and said Insert Images. And of course I don't need another one, so I'm going to duplicate this one, but that's how I found it. The next thing that I did, and let me hide these again. Hide and hide. The next thing that I did was I just came up here and said Ungroup. Because I wanted these things to be all separate like this. So this is one piece and this is one piece. So the first thing I decided to do was to change the color of this vinyl for this one. Now notice the words are cut out, so the t-shirt or whatever is behind it will show through where those words have been cut out. I'm going to make it be red again, just like I had done before. So I come up here, it's a cut. You can notice that over here in the layers panel that it's a cut. I'm going to kind of move these together so they're not taking up so much space. Okay, so you can see that this over here is a cut file, and I can change its color right here to red. Okay, that was easy, right? So I can just put that right back in here. But remember on my sample, I wanted my stars to be gold. So, and I can't ungroup anything else. So what I did was I duplicated this first. So I came up here to the right, top right, duplicate. And then I separated them out. I clicked on one and came down here to contour. And the first thing that I did was I contoured out all the stars because that was really easy. So I just clicked on every one of those stars over here. And when I'm done clicking on all of the stars, you'll see what I'm left with. That's all of them. All right, so I'm left with the words all and the word uh-oh, I missed one. Let me go back to contour. Must be one more in here that I missed. There he is. Boop. Okay, he's gone now. All right, so we have all and boy, and I had wanted to change that to blue, so this can all be red, white, and blue, perhaps on a white t-shirt. So I'm going to come up here to the color swatch and change that to blue. And of course, it just shows up like this on my canvas here, or on my workspace. It will be the color that I put on my mat with the vinyl. But that's that. And now I do want the stars to be gold, remember? So I have this other piece that I duplicated. So all I have to do is come over here to contour again. And this time I'm going to contour out the words. So the word all and boy. And it might be easier again over here in this little layers panel. So anything that's not a star, I can highlight and get rid of. So let's make sure, let's go slowly. Okay, I believe I've gotten rid of it all. Let's check it out. Yep, all I have left are the stars, and I can place those right back over here. And again, to change their color, I would just come up here and make it gold. And now if I go to make it, let's check and see how that's going to work out. There's the red, it comes out perfectly. There are the yellows or the golds. Perfect. And let's look. And this is good too. So we can cancel this. So remember, I also wanted to say All American Girl. And so what I did was I just came into here to the text tool and typed in the word all. And what I did was I just found a font that I liked. And one that I like is called A.R. Christie. That's something I have on my system, I think. A.R. Christie. But you can look through here and find any font that you like to change out. So I made this one say all. And I brought it up here and resized it to how I liked it. All American, and I want it to say girl. So I'm going to come to the text tool again, click on the word, or type out the word girl, not grill. Okay, there we go. All American Girl. And I can just bring that right up here too. And that's all there is to it. Now I can click on this one, and I can group them if I want to. And I can also change their color to blue. And if I want them to say exactly where they are like this on the mat when I cut them out, I can say attach. So let's see what happens. Let's get rid of this one over here and let's go to make it. So there's the red, the gold stars, and all girl, all American Girl. So let's cancel that one more time. And in case you want to see what this is going to look like on a t-shirt, whoops, I need to group that. So I'm going to highlight everything, or I could select all by hitting this button right here, and I'm going to come up here to group. Now if I wanted to see how this was going to look on a t-shirt, I could come up here to templates, and I could look for a t-shirt. I have one of these kind that I'm going to make for my little grandbabies. And it reminds us that they're just for reference. They won't be saved. Okay, so there's the t-shirt now. And I can resize the t-shirt. So I had to click over here once to get this. Right now it's at the men's, and I wanted a kid's size. And they have different sizes, so I'll do small. And I'll just bring it down here so I can get a look of what it's going to look like. Just drag it down. And I think that's going to be really super cute, just like that. So, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, join us over on our Facebook groups. I have all the links down below to the different groups. And join us over on Patreon once a month for Cricut people. We have a secret challenge with a secret video and a PDF file that you can download with the instructions. I also have a Patreon class. There are actually 5 classes a month, 5 one-hour-long live classes a month. We start exactly at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. It's all class, nothing, no chit-chat. We chit-chat before and we chit-chat after, but not during class. It's about an hour-long class of teaching, and you're going to learn how to use Silhouette software for your Cricut machine. Yeah, you can use it for your Cricut machine, and you can put fabulous offsets and that kind of thing on it. You can use it in a Silhouette, obviously, machine, and you can also use it for scan and cut. So, check it out. You can download the free version of the Silhouette software just to play with it and see if you like it. And then join us over on Patreon, because we're really having a lot of fun, and there's so much to learn and so much we can do with this software for our Cricut machines. It's just amazing. So join us there. Thanks again. Bye-bye.